How to update Microsoft Teams. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Microsoft Teams on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the three dots right beside your profile icon on the top right of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Tap on the settings option there. In the interface that you will then be led to, tap on the About Microsoft Teams option from the left side toolbar. You will then be able to see the version of the Microsoft Teams you are using, and if you have any updates, it will be shown right there. So if your device is showing update, go ahead and update it further. So this is how you can update Microsoft Teams. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.